beeswax, and parfum wax to the areas where we want to stay white. For the fine areas, we use this tool. It's called a gelatine or a wax pen. But for wider areas, we use a normal paintbrush. The wax goes right to the fabric, so the design is on both sides of the fabric. We now remove the fabric off the frame and we take this blue piece into a cold watercolor fast dye for 30 minutes. And we always start from the lighter color to the darkest. You can see the white areas where we wax first. It is still here on the fabric. In order for us to keep this blue color, we need to add more wax on the areas to keep the blue colors. So the wax is used to protect each color from the other. For example, if we want a piece to dye 6 times, we have to wax it 6 times and dye 6 times. So the more colors, the longer it takes. We also have to let the fabric dry at least 1 day so we can apply more wax and more dyes onto the fabric. So we wax and we dye until we have all the colors. After getting all the colors we need to remove the wax off the fabric, we boil it into a pot of hot water for 30 minutes. The wax flows to the top so we can reuse it again. Right over there on that wall, that is our masterpiece of the wall hangings. That piece of a light behind it to give a reflection of a sunlight. And that is 5 colors. That masterpiece have to go to each one of these steps right here, where we said chase all the way over to the final product. This piece on the wall is 5 colors, 9 days work to complete. So Batik is individually done. You won't find that the pieces exactly looking the same. And each piece is done by hand. This is a finished piece of a village life right here. 5 days work to complete. To tell genuine Batik, it always have to be the same on both sides. And we do not have a right or a wrong side. And that's how you can tell it's a genuine piece of Batik. You can also wash the fabric in the machine. You can hand wash it. You can put it in the dryer to be dried. You can also hang the fabric on the clothesline. The fabric will not shake. So everything that you see in the store was done with the wax and the dyes, and that's how Batik is done. Anyone have any questions? If not, thank you for coming. You can take a look around at the gift shop.